So Less Color is a community initiative. We use transformative power of paint. It's basically for community upliftment. At AkzoNobel we said, let's color Spiti, let's paint the future together.
From the streets of Delhi, we journeyed to the highest village on earth. Leaving behind the lush greenery, we climbed up to the Spiti Valley in Himachal Pradesh. At 15,000 feet, Spiti is a cold desert where time seems to stop and the universe shares its deepest secrets. Join us as we take the journey of a lifetime into the heart of the Himalayas to see the colorful transformation of Spiti.
Clearly, living in Spiti, which is let's say 15,000 feet, which is equal to an average base camp, life is tough. Many a times the temperature goes up to -25. But it has a lot of rich heritage also. It's living like a top of the world. So clearly, how can we revive the heritage and at the same point in time make their current lifestyle enjoyable?
For the community living in the three villages of Komik, Hikim and Langsa, life surely isn't easy. But it is happy and peaceful. As Rudyard Kipling said, it's a world within a world, a place where the gods live. We believe these are greetings from Spiti.
As you know, Kaza is a very difficult region and the geography is also very difficult and it's a cold desert. If you see, the terrain is very rough and dry. Agriculture season is also only one agricultural season is there in Kaza.
Life is not easy here. Many families have made this place their home. They work as farmers. But due to distant positions and high altitude, the community face a number of difficulties and have limited access to basic supplies.
गर्मी का सिर्फ 3 महीने है और ठंड का 9 महीने है। इस 3 महीने में हम खेती बाड़ी का काम करना, जंगल से घास लाना या मकान रिपेयर करना, इसमें हमारा समय बहुत कम होता है।
रोजगार का साधन तो है नहीं सर, यहाँ पर मैंने यहाँ पर कृषि पर डिपेंड है।
But every challenge unearths a new opportunity. And in 3 villages in Komik, the world's highest motorable vehicle accessible settlement, Hikim, which boasts the world's highest post office, and Lagza, which contains sea fossils older than the Himalayas, a unique program was launched.
What they used to do is, during this 4 months, which is summers for them, they used to go out, buy some stones, crush them, make a powder and then used to apply. Again from an unskilled labor, whoever was available. Not in the form it should be applied. This 4 months is a time when they can make living out of it, because that's a time when they move out of the home. Clearly putting their energy in agriculture or repairing their house, that's another way. We thought we should collaborate to make their life more easy.
Now the harsh conditions take a toll on the buildings and the villagers have to struggle to maintain their homes and public buildings year after year. But now comes this Let's Colour campaign launched by AkzoNobel.
We chose Spiti, where we can add to the community. As an expert, AkzoNobel being an expert of colors and understanding the local lifestyle as well as local heritage.
लास्ट ईयर जो डुलक्स जो एक्जोनोबल कंपनी ने ये बोला कि हम आपके घरों को चमका के पेंट करके जैसा आपका डिज़ाइन है ब्लैक वाइट जो भी है रेड और खिड़की सबको आपको एनिमल पेंट करके चमका के देंगे करके 2024 में कंपनी ने के अपनी पेंटर्स आए और कंपनी ने पेंट वगैरह सारा सप्लाई करके और 2-2.5 महीने 3 महीने में पूरे लंगजा हिकिम कॉमिक तीनों गांव विद मोनेस्ट्रीज स्कूल सबको मतलब कि पेंट करके चमका के और दिए इस साल।
तो हमारे यहाँ में जो रंग है आप लोग जो रंग लगाने वाले लोग हैं उन लोगों ने बहुत टफ काम किया है इसमें। फिर गांव हो जैसे कि हमारा मंदिर हो सभी लोग को अभी जैसे कि हमारा लोकल जो रंग लगाते हैं उसमें इसमें डिफरेंट बहुत देखने को भी मिला है।
"20 painters used more than 10,500 liters of the company's Dulux Weather Shield range of exterior emulsions and enamels to ensure longer lasting all-weather protection for the communities to coat their buildings."
Very few houses were painted with a good quality paint, and so they started collaborating with us, and they were really happy that somebody will actually do that. And when you get such kind of a response from a community, and then rest all the things becomes easy. And as things started transforming, right, and then you can see the enjoy, and it made us more proud, saying that okay, we created some impact.
हमारे लोकल जो रंग लगाते हैं उसमें इसमें डिफरेंट बहुत देखने को भी मिला है ना। इस टाइम ओला पड़ा लेकिन दीवार में लगा फिर भी रंग नहीं निकला, दीवार भी नहीं निकला, तो इतना फर्क देखने को मिला।
AkzoNobel has taken a very good initiative. Actually, the 3 villages which are one of the highest villages, Hikim, Komik and Langza. So they have taken up the project for painting the households and also the monasteries and religious structures, which is very difficult for them also, for local people, because their logistics are very costly here. So it has reduced the cost of the local people also, and it will also increase the tourism in the area because these are most visited place by the tourists.
Let's Colour is a community initiative wherein we use entire transformative power of paint, skilling the youth and also making the spaces more livable and enjoyable.
The revitalization covered a significant 300,000 square feet that included more than 100 homes, 3 schools, 3 monasteries, 8 cafes and 12 homestays.
हमारा स्पीति का जो कल्चर है वो धर्म के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है और इसलिए हम मोनेस्ट्री में हम अपने यहाँ के धर्म के मुताबिक अनुसार रंग लगाते हैं और ये रंग यही लगाते हैं, हम यहाँ के नेचुरल के रंग लगाते हैं। अभी तक तो हमने नेचुरल के रंग लगाया।
Clearly this is a Tibetan Buddhist place, and that's the reason white has been chosen for purity, blue for universal compassion and red for blessings. Using AkzoNobel expertise in terms of providing and making it more meaningful and livable, this is how the color selection or palette selection has happened.
This transformation also revived a number of buildings integral to the cultural identity of the region. such as the 14th century Tangyur Monastery and the Comic Museum.
Let's put it this way, how can we protect their past, which is their cultural heritage, their current life, which is making more enjoyable, and in future, so that they don't have to do once again and again.
Let's Color is not just a painting initiative. It's a celebration of community, culture and sustainability. By blending vibrant hues with Buddhist symbolism, this campaign by AkzoNobel has reimagined spaces, making them more livable, inviting and deeply connected to their heritage.
In nutshell, I should say, in Spiti, people welcome us with their hearts, with their soul. At AkzoNobel, we said, let's color Spiti, let's paint the future together.
मेरा गांव बहुत सुंदर और अच्छा लगता है।